Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics and chemistry in Class 11. First, focus on building a strong conceptual foundation in both subjects. Don't just memorize formulas, truly understand the underlying principles. Next, consistent practice is key, especially for numerical problems. Work through examples and solve exercises regularly. Finally, make revision a non-negotiable part of your routine. This approach will help you master these challenging subjects effectively.
Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake assembly. First, remove the two bolts holding the caliper in place. These are usually the guide pin bolts. Gently lift the caliper off the rotor and secure it so it doesn't hang by the brake line. Now, you can easily slide out the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Inspect the rotor for any wear or damage. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. A C-clamp or a specialized tool works best for this. Once the piston is fully retracted, insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Make sure they fit snugly. Then, carefully place the caliper back over the rotor and secure it by tightening the guide pin bolts. Double-check all connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.